The 2026 BMW 1 Series captures attention with its sleek design and innovative features. Experience the convenience of electric folding door mirrors for easy parking in tight spaces, while Active Guard Plus enhances safety with advanced driver assistance technologies, offering peace of mind on every journey. Step inside to find illuminated Boston interior trim for a sophisticated ambience and live Cockpit Professional for intuitive control and connectivity. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW 1 Series. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.